A regular air compressor won't give you the results you seek, so you need a specialized unit made specifically for supplying your airbrush with air. There are a lot of choices out there when it comes to airbrush compressors. Many products are available for Airbrush Compressor, each with different characteristic benefits and prices to help you make an informed decision. After deep research, I read tons of reviews and completed a list of the best airbrush compressors from reputable brands. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose System. When you need a system to take on the go, the Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose System is a great tool to have on hand. The compressor, while powerful, is quite petite. It's lightweight and small enough to take just about anywhere. The set comes with everything you need to airbrush, either as a standalone compressor or as a whole group. It can reach up to 25 pounds per square inch. It will run up to 15 pounds per square inch if you need a quick blast. Are you worried about wasting power? The compressor shuts off automatically when not used for some time. While the compressor is very portable, it isn't the most powerful. If you plan to do smaller projects, however, the size and ease of movement are ideal. Always unplug the airbrush compressor between uses to prevent damage from surges or overheating. If the system overheats, turn it off and leave it for a short period. Enable it to cool down before restarting the machine. Keep all parts of the device clean and free of debris. Number 2. Master Airbrush Model TC40T Cool Runner Airbrush Compressor. If you want one of the best airbrush compressors money can buy, check out this Master Airbrush Model TC40T Cool Runner Airbrush Compressor. It tops our list due to its impressive feature set. Simply put, this compressor comes equipped with stuff you probably didn't even know you wanted or needed. True to its Cool Runner name, it's designed to operate for long periods without overheating. The onboard air storage tank allows for constant, consistent pressure with no pulsation, ensuring that your paint finish is smooth and even. Other features include a gauge and a regulator for fine-tuning your pressure, 2 airbrush holders, and a generous 6-foot air hose. Despite being very useful, this compressor isn't the best balanced structure, provided it is away from common walking spaces. However, the system has no issues and functions excellently. This type of airbrush compressor is meant to take out into the field. Usually, this sort of airbrush compressor has a compact design and smaller hoses. You can get an entire set, including the kit or a standalone compressor. Number 3. California Air Tools Compressor. The California Air Tools Compressor is a terrific option if you want something built to last. All of the mechanical parts are exposed at the top. This enables simplified maintenance and upkeep. You can control the airflow precisely. Need to move it from place to place. A massive metal handle holds everything steady as you shift locations. With solid feet at the base, it resists slipping and thus keeps your connections intact. The compressor is very powerful, holding an entire gallon at any time. Featuring a rigid steel structure, it is strong against dents and impact. For those working without earplugs, the fact that it is so quiet adds an extra edge to overall performance value. Though soft, there is still a noticeable sound when you get up to 90 pounds per square inch of pressure. That said, this strength gives enough power for massive projects. This sort of airbrush compressor comes complete with the airbrush nozzle and controls. Typically pocket-sized, these compressors are suitable only for small tasks. Useful for touch-ups on vehicles or other surfaces. Number 4. Zenni Pro A 5th HP Airbrush Air Compressor. The Zenni Pro A 5th HP Airbrush Air Compressor may not stand out like the others, but it still deserves a spot on our list. This compressor is priced well below the high-end models on our list while being just a bit more expensive than the budget model. It features a precision regulator, an easy-to-read gauge, and a moisture trap. Zenni Pro claims that this compressor flows more air consistently than many competitors. There's also a clever automatic thermal shutdown feature to prevent the unit from overheating, which is a genuine concern on these less expensive compressors. While this option is robust and user-friendly, it requires some supplemental supplies for optimal function. Still, this is a quality compressor with threading and electrical tape on hand. The pressures range from 20 to 80 pounds per square inch, giving a lot of leeways to pick the suitable compressor. In each case, the system either has a lengthy cord connected to a wall outlet or a powerful battery. Number 5. TimberTech Airbrush Kit with Compressor. Do you want to improve your airbrush's performance? If so, the TimberTech Airbrush Kit is a worthy option. It comes with a high-quality compressor and multiple parts designed to fit you well. The compressor holds 3 liters and features a regulator to control the flow. By incorporating a water trap, you can prevent slips and accidents. It's heavy-duty enough to work efficiently but light enough to move around. The kit also includes several tips to give you different balances of precision and efficiency. It is powerful while remaining quiet, making it well-suited to most situations. Despite the system being a bit handy, the handle leaves something to be desired. Given its placement relative to the compressor's weight, it's essential to be safe when handling it. You can get an entire set, including the kit or a standalone compressor. In each case, the system either has a lengthy cord connected to a wall outlet or a powerful battery. Any operated with a battery can be expected to have a rechargeable feature. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, do check out my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below and stay updated with our cool product, as it will make your life much more easier.